Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event in Skool class. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start creating events within their Skool community. Maybe you want to do group coaching calls, or maybe you want to do a guest speaker. How do you actually create an event in your Skool class? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is hop onto our Skool account, which looks like this right here. Then you're going to click on calendar. Now from this page here, you're actually going to click on this plus icon. So click on this plus icon, and then from this page here, you can edit the title, the date, the time, the duration, and the location, and also the description. You could also change who's going to attend the event and also remind members by email one day before. But with editing event, you could actually go ahead and edit the event, or with adding event, you could actually edit it. So if you want to go into the next month here, you could actually go ahead and let's say we want to edit this event. You just click on the event, click on this pencil icon, and then because this is a recurring event, it's going to give you the ability to edit this event only or edit all the events that are within this recurring event. So if we click on edit, we'll reach the same prompts where we can edit the title, the date, the time zone, location, and the description. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create an event in Skool class. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.